Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video we're going to be looking at how you can create poster maker. Okay, this function gives you the ability to create beautiful, gorgeous posters. Okay, now the interesting thing about posters is you can use them online in a digital format, or they could be ready for print for offline clients or business or leaflets, etc, etc. Okay, or maybe you want to have a poster and put it on a canvas. So you've got so many applications. So we've got some really nice done for you templates or prompts essentially that you can build from. But in order to find this prompt, you would find it under create design. Once you select create design, it will be under the fast AI image designer, and then it will be under the section of AI image designer here. Okay, so in this example we have the same ability of this function, where not only will it give you the done for you prompt that you can come and you can adjust and alter, or you can enhance or make certain tweaks, but you can also use mirror magic. So the same concept will apply throughout a majority of these functions, where mirror magic is such a powerful feature where you don't have to always create things from scratch. You can just model other things that are out there that you like, or maybe your client likes, and you know, it could be something of high value. So just imagine there are posters out there that are doing really well. Posters in the sense it could be designs that are placed on a t-shirt, or maybe a canvas or a print that's got a high or bestseller rate, for example. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can already find things that are already out there that are doing really well, and you can just model them using mirror magic. Now for this example, let's go ahead and let's look at rebuilding it. Let's put it in 9:16. Let's put 4 quantity, and let's go ahead and generate. Let's have a look. So maybe I want to use these designs and place them even as thumbnails or for social media. I can really optimize them for social media. And the great thing is, if I do come back to one, even though they're processing at the moment, you know, if you go to regenerate, you can actually then recreate them in different sizes as well, just to get a variety. So I'll go and generate that in 1 by 1, and you can see, look at these beautiful posters that are being created. But again, they can double up as well. You can print them off as is, or they can be used on mobile devices as thumbnails or graphics. And here we have some other illustrations in different sizes. So it's a very powerful feature. It just gives that edge above everybody else. And let's put let's try another one just to show you the variety. Oh, that's a bit smaller, or quantity is one, but I just want to do a bit more. Okay, so if you do have an issue like that, that's not too wide. Let's regenerate. We'll go ahead and let's do 16 by 9. That's a great one. Okay. So if in the exceptional circumstance you do have a little issue like that, it's not the end of the world. So we can just go back in and we can regenerate it without any issues at all. And there we go. Okay, so here we have this beautiful thumbnail, and this can actually work well even on, you know, YouTube. So it's good for laptop devices, desktop, etc, etc. Okay, so coming back now to the AI image designer, if you go to the poster maker, yep, this is the one we were using, and that's how you use this very powerful function. So I shall see you in another video.